Hello and welcome to Online Sourcing Made Easy. In this video, what I'm going to show you is what we're going to learn in this course. So if you're in the course, get ready to learn and have a lot of fun. And if you're watching this as the promo video, this is what we're going to learn. So there's always a money back guarantee. If you can't learn this stuff, you get your money back. But let's go into exactly what we're going to learn in this course. Like I said, what we're going to learn in this course. The basics. We're going to learn everything you need to start sourcing online. So I'm going to teach you the browser, I'm going to teach you the extensions, I'm going to teach you all that magic. Then I'm going to show you all the tools you're going to need. This doesn't just include what you learned in the basics, it's also going to show you some advanced techniques, websites, and kind of the information / knowledge you're going to need to find good deals. I'm going to teach you how to do Amazon flips. So this is where you're going to buy from Amazon and actually resell back on Amazon. There's some great bonus material that'll show you exactly how to do this, but I'm going to walk you through the process. Then I'm going to show you how to do flips from other stores. So you're going to be able to buy from like a Walmart or a Target or a Toys R Us. I'm going to show you how to sell those on Amazon. And then I'm going to teach you what to watch out for so you don't make stupid mistakes. Because during my time doing this, I have made some mistakes, and it is my turn to teach you how not to do the same thing. Now, as I mentioned, there's a lot of great bonus material on here, and honestly, the bonus material may be worth more, as if not, it's just the same, if not more, than what the course is. So make sure to check that out. It'll be updated as new material comes in, but it's just great information for you guys to read and to watch. So let's get started with Online Sourcing Made Easy.